Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Ellis and I make content similar to the topic that you clicked on. So if that's something of interest to you, then make sure you consider why am I saying if it obviously something of interest to you, so subscribe and hit that notification button so you are updated every time I make a video and you can consume all this information that I am trying to give to you with just a click of a subscription button. Anyways, today's topic and subject, as you can tell from the title, is a question that I used to get asked a lot over on my other channel, because I had a previous channel before this, but I've made this channel to focus on these topics or whatnot. So a question that used to get asked a lot through DMs on Instagram is, what app do you use to trade? First of all, if you're asking what app you use to trade, then you've never taken a Forex course or any type of educational course. That's just a fact. Like, if you're asking what app you use, I mean, unless it's just out of curiosity. But if you are asking what app you use, so you can start using that app to think that you will then gain the same level of success or whatnot that you see that person posting up on Instagram. Because I know for a fact that that MetaTrader 4, like, loads of people will see the blue profits and hardly any red negatives. All these blue. So everyone wants to know what app everyone uses. But honestly, it doesn't matter what app you're using. To be truthful to you, like, if you know nothing about trading and you're going to if you're going to pick up your phone and try for it to an app and you don't know what you're doing, then that is a recipe for disaster. And I think that's one of the reasons why 90% of people that try to trade the Forex market don't make it, because they're trying to trade through their mobile phone. And even though you can, once you've gained the experience and you know what you're doing, for someone that don't have a clue why you even need the app on your phone, it's a recipe for disaster. If you know how to analyze the charts and whatnot, then you know that a mobile phone isn't the best thing to do that on. You need like a screen, like you need a large screen where you can backtrack and go through like a large amount of data, put your lines in, draw supports and resistance, look for opportunity and all that stuff, and then you can manage or place a trade on your phone. But you need that platform to do analysis. To do analysis on your mobile phone is, yeah, obviously once you've gained the experience. So for example, if you sit down around a computer in the morning and you've checked the charts and you see this opportunity, like, okay, if I'm at work and I see this level being hit with that kind of entry reason, then I can place a trade on my phone. But to just purely just 100% be trading off a mobile phone, and you have never experienced, like, you're not experienced in the Forex market, then don't do it. If you are interested in learning how to trade, by the way, then there's a link below where I learned to trade, Infinite Prosperity. Hands down, they are the best. If you sign up through the link, it's a free link, so you don't have to pay anything, and you get 2 free lessons teaching you the basics. And then if it's something of interest to you, then you can pay for a full membership where it covers everything that you need to. I mean, literally everything, plus more that you need to know about Forex. I'll just quickly run over some of the apps that I used to use, I used to trade. So first of all, the platform is this platform that you're seeing right behind me, or this software. It's not even a software, it's a web-based platform. It's called TradingView, which a large majority of people use to analyze the markets and look for opportunity. And you can connect your brokerage to them and then place a trade through there. I don't know if you guys can remember, like, in a few videos back, I said this. Hold on, let's find it. It's actually a nice setup right now on the New Zealand dollar Swiss franc, which I might be jumping into. If you heard that correctly, there's actually a nice setup. That was like a week, because I can't remember how long ago. That was a few days back. That is a setup on a New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. I was able to identify the opportunity that I've actually got on the screen now that actually played out in my favor. So I was able to identify the opportunity through looking at the charts, creating support resistant lines, looking for area of interest, and executing your trading plan. And you're not able to do that 100% on your mobile phone if you don't know what you're looking for. But back to some of the apps that I used to trade. So I don't know how well you can see this. So there's IG Market. I don't really use that much. I've got a account with IG Market, but I don't use them that much. There's TradingView. That's just like for analysis, like on the computer over there, that you can try. It's not as good as a computer, but it does kind of help. And then there's CMC Markets, which is one of my favorite. There is FXCM and there's MetaTrader. So those are just a few of the apps that I have on my phone. I don't use all of them. I just use like one at a time. I don't have so many accounts, but I've just, like, throughout my trading period, I've experienced them, let's say, and I've kind of just like narrowed it down to the ones that I like the way it operates, like the interface and all that. I think CMC is one of my favorites because Like they have just this lovely ways, like it calculates everything for you. Like you put in your pipped risk and then you calculate how it just helps so much. You calculate what you're risking, how much your reward is, and it just saves you calculate right doing the calculations yourself, which just helps with like risking 1% or risking 2%, etc. So CMC is also is one of my all-time favorites, but obviously it's down to personal preference, and you can experiment with all these apps and all that. But as I was saying, it's not about what app you use. It's all about education. If you are interested in trading, then it's first about getting educated and then finding the right brokerage. Because for even to use MetaTrader, you have to link it with your brokerage account. So you can't just download MetaTrader and then just start trading through MetaTrader. You have to link your brokerage through MetaTrader. But that's all something that you learn through your education. Like it's like, or you can just YouTube it. It's not something I'm going to cover in this video. But yeah, that's it for this video, I think. So for all the comments about what app do you use to trade, it's not about an app. But before I end this video, let's show you about that setup that I was talking about in the last video that I managed, that I was talking about that played out in my favor. I can't be able to do a screen share, so I just put the camera close. So as you can see, when I made that video, the market was literally just right there on this line, and like you can see the screen, like there's so much you can make the screen wide, you can do whatever. There's so much for you to analyze, like to just know what, like just put area of interest, put your lines out and do all that stuff. On a mobile phone you're not able to do that. So that's how I was able to this line is an area of interest because obviously it's rejected price and rejected and support price in the past. So that's why this line's there, because I know it's an area of interest, and it just so happened that price went there again. We had RSI being overbought, and it just worked out. That's what I mean about it's not about an app. It's about having a platform to do your analysis, and then you can execute on an app. But it's not about getting your phone and just placing trades and blindly not knowing what you're doing. But yeah, take the advice for what it's worth. If this video was helpful in some way, please share it to someone. I am trying to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. Once at 1,000 subscribers, then I'll start trading. So I'll start like with a small account, probably like $100, £100, and we'll trade. We'll do the whole journey. We'll just have just join it. Just join the journey. Be a part of the growth. So if that's something of interest, as I said, hit that subscribe button, turn that bell on, share it to a friend, and go check out all my previous videos. Go like them and do all that fun stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. So let's look for some more opportunities while I'm around here. Dun, dun, dun. That's just consolidating. Oh, that's already played out. It's annoying. This one's interesting. Okay. So,